block is destroying our city.
Won't somebody help me?
All right, men, take him down.
Oh no, it's no use.
Let's get out of here!
Get Abraham Lincoln. He'll know what to do.
77 years ago. Fuck this shit.
My baby's still in there. It's a catastrophe, President Pickles. What are we gonna do?
My leg. Send for the onion police.
The onion cops are always on the move. The onion cops are always in the mood. They'll fight for me and they'll fight for you until you chop them up and fucking eat them for food.
We got called about a crisis.
Good sweet Christ, is that a cinder block? Holy fuck, man, we gotta get out of here.